Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make curly hair for men. First, ensure your hair is clean and damp. Wash it with a good moisturizing shampoo and conditioner to prepare the strands. After washing, gently towel dry your hair, leaving it slightly wet. Then, use a wide-tooth comb to carefully detangle any knots, working from the ends upwards. This sets the perfect foundation for defining your natural curls. Now, it is time to apply your styling products. Choose a curl-enhancing cream or a lightweight mousse, depending on your desired hold and texture. Dispense about a quarter-sized amount into your palm. Evenly distribute this product through your damp hair, focusing on the mid-lengths and ends. Gently scrunch the product into your hair to encourage curl formation and definition. To truly define your curls, begin by gently scrunching your hair upwards towards the scalp. This helps activate the curl pattern. For more defined spirals, you can take small sections of hair and twist them around your finger. If you use a hairdryer, attach a diffuser and dry your hair on a low heat setting, moving it around your head. Remember, avoid brushing or combing your hair once it is dry to prevent frizz. For the best results, let your hair air dry completely to minimize frizz and enhance natural curl patterns. Once dry, you can apply a light hold hairspray to set your style and ensure it lasts throughout the day. To refresh your curls on subsequent days, simply dampen your hair with water and apply a tiny bit of your curl product. Using a silk pillowcase overnight can also help maintain your curls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.